Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, I am going to talk about why NEET toppers avoid Maharasthra Medical Colleges through All India Counselling. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges for your NEET rank. When you join government medical college or private medical college through government quota, you will be asked to sign a bond. Various states implement different clauses in this bond. Two major bond types are course discontinuation bond and compulsory service bond. Many states have compulsory rural service for a minimum of 1 year after the graduation before they get permanent registration from the medical council. Candidate needs to pay penalty if they resign their seat after cutoff date of the allotment or during the course. This penalty generally ranges between Rs 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs for government colleges. For private colleges, it is generally the full course fee. You can see the last year bond conditions mentioned in Maharashtra for candidates who join through Central Pool quota, All India quota as well as the state quota. As per Clause 2, Maharashtra mandates 1 year compulsory service after the internship. If student could not complete 1 year service for any reason, they should pay penalty of Rs 10 lakhs in order to get their original degree certificates. Important reason why NEET toppers avoid Maharashtra government colleges in All India quota choice filling is because of the third clause. It mentions that you should not leave India for 5 years after medical graduation. Otherwise, candidate needs to pay Rs 10 lakhs as penalty. USMLE already will cost around Rs 25 lakhs, and on top of that, additional 10 lakhs need to be paid as penalty if one chooses to go abroad for practice. None of the central government run medical colleges neither have bond for compulsory service nor stop candidates to leave the country after graduation. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counseling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.